What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? Man, I miss the live streams, bro. You know what? I'm gonna go to Discord real quickly. I'll let you guys know that I'm live. Announcement at everyone. I'm live. Come on, I'm live. Send now. Good. All right, we good to go. All right. How's everybody doing, man? How are y'all doing? Bushy, what's up? What's up, Bushy? And we got a new record, boys. I think today we're gonna get to 1500, guys. Today is the day where we're gonna get to 1500. I'm sure it's today is the day. I'm sure. Like today, first day of February, like first day of live streaming in February. So, you know, it goes probably we got 28 people. I think we can manage to get 28. All right, right? How's everybody doing? How you guys? How's the weekend? So, how you guys spent your weekend? So everything's good. Everything's good. It's good to see y'all again, man. I missed the live streams, bro. I missed the live stream. I haven't live streamed on Friday, and I did not even trade, so. Good morning. What's up? What's up? All right. Let's get to it. First things first. You know what? I would like to start with InQ. InQ's. It's the baby girl. Baby girl. Okay. So far, just looking at that, just looking at this from the get-go, ideally I want to take longs. Just like from the get-go, just looking at how price is forming. First things first. We're leaving that fair swings here. We're leaving these fair swings here. We reacted off of like this is what I like to see when we kind of have like an expansion. Wait, let me turn off the indicator because that looks a bit ugly. Okay, when we kind of expand on like the next candle just kind of ranges within. Most likely, I like to see this. This is the accumulation manipulation. I want to see the distribution higher. So this WEC doesn't support expansion, but still, I would still be looking to trade to the upside. Looking on a 4 hour, and I got some changes. By the way, I was gonna take this trade. Where was it? It was here. I was gonna take this trade for the expansion, but yeah, I did not. Here, I got it here. By the way, where was it? Yeah, this trade. I was gonna take that one. Oh, it did end up hitting TP. Okay, that's good. No worries. But I'm still just kind of training myself for the 6 a.m. You know, just getting myself ready for trading the 6 a.m. because once I'm traveling, bro, I'm gonna be trading 6 a.m. because I cannot really miss the night. I wanna enjoy some nightlife in Thailand, bro. Anyway, so far, so C3, C4, ideally, like there's nothing really here that would hold price kind of to trade lower. We're seeing the monthly candle, so this is remember new monthly candle, new weekly candle, and new daily candle. So it's like kind of one-sided narrative because if this monthly candle wants to flip bearish, we're kind of forming the high and then going lower, so we're gonna go higher. And if we're gonna go bullish, we already formed the low and we're gonna go, so it's like your one-sided direction, which is buys. Same for the weekly, same for the daily. So where do I want to target? Ideally somewhere within the EQ, probably the high or the high. So we're just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. So ideally I want to take longs like from the get-go. And well, yeah, by the way, guys, we got 35 people here, 7 likes. Like let's start today, like before 9:40, we'll have like 25 likes. Come on, if you guys haven't liked the live stream already, let's start like the YouTube algorithm. You know the YouTube algorithm and stuff. Anyways, let's continue. Let me know if you guys can hear me clearly. Everything's good, so don't forget to like the live stream. Yeah, so ideally I just want to take longs, following kind of that daily narrative. The daily candle flipped, and it's really clean. We have the open low into irrelevant draw. And let's check. And if we have SMTs and we have like PSPs, oh, that's gonna be ideal. Let me check if we have any PSPs here. Precision swing point. I don't think we don't. I think we don't. Okay, we don't have any PSPs here yet. But yeah, so far this is that daily open, which is so clean. Open low into drawn liquidity. So now I can trust this being the low of day, and I can just see continuations from the EQ of that range. What do I tell you guys? Always within that range of that 6 a.m. Most likely we'll have a new invalidation level, either a gap or a key level, and then we can trade away from it into the current high of day or something here to the left. So it's pretty simple. I want to go for longs, bro. I want to, even though like this is, let me check. Let me check. Where is this 6 a.m.? Even though like this is the C3, this is the C4, and now we're gonna trade within the C5, but still, I like it. Why? Because we just got 2 candles of expansion, so I can still anticipate more expansion candles. If you really check, like price kind of tends to expand. So nowadays it just like expands directly. So let me check. Same for what is it called? ES. there were some beautiful trades here. But now, what do I want to see on ES? Now we just traded above the current high of day. So ideally, I want to see like a failure to manipulate back into that high. So I think I prefer ES more than NQ due to the fact that we just engage with the irrelevant swing. So if I have a new swing formed, now I can trust it with the failure to manipulate to the next draw. But for NQ, we haven't engaged with any swings, so it's just like looking for continuation. So I kind of lean toward ES, and that's why I also wanted to take that CIC. Where was it? It was, I don't remember. I think it was here, but I got to TP first, and then probably like I could have taken that break even or something. So yeah, I prefer ES for longs. But what do I want to see? Like if first to manipulate, we just engage with the irrelevant swing, which is current high of day. We get this previous daily high, which is Friday's high. So if we fear to manipulate current high of day, probably gonna go to Friday's high. So yeah. I kind of lean toward ES. Let me see YM. So yeah, it's more. Oh wow, beautiful. Have we engaged with that Friday's high? Okay, interesting. Really interesting. So YM already engaged with Friday's high. So yeah, what I ideally want to see if I were to manipulate on YM for ES to catch up to that same high, and we get the lagging asset which is ES. Ideally, I don't want to trade ES. NQ. Sorry, I don't want to trade NQ. ES mid asset. Or if I were to manipulate on YM, probably some sort of retracement back into the EQ, form a new swing and go for the current high if they are probably that high. But the ideal one, ES, followed by YM, followed by NQ. Okay? This is my list. I get a setup on ES, I will take it over. If not, YM, NQ, nah. It's the lagging asset. I don't want to trade the lagging asset. Or if we have like some sort of strength switch on NQ, that would be good to trade to the upside. But be aware that there's no relevant swing here. Probably not hourly. Like probably here, but it's not the cleanest. But comparing it to ES, like we have a clean drawn liquidity here. So I don't really care about that high. It's just like more of a catalyst for a pullback once we kind of reacted off of that level, the order block. So I wouldn't really care about that one. But yeah, let's see. Let's wait and see. That's really it. So that's really it for indices. Like just give me a new swing formation with a cracking correlation, and we're good to go. Let me see if we have any PSPs here. Yeah, I was gonna trade away from this PSP. We had a 2-stage with YM. If I do remember correctly, yeah, we had that 2-stage with YM. Wait. 9 a.m. No, it was on M15. It was on M15. Yeah, it was this one. That was that 2-stage that I was looking to trade back into that high, which you just missed it. So let me check. Yo, there is no swing formation. How do you deal with that? I will wait for one. Wait for a new swing. Hey everyone with funded next future. Hey, anyone with funded next futures knows something for delay happening right now? No idea, to be honest, man. I'm not on funded next. Do you trade before the news, like today, or 10 a.m. news? And my question is, are you gonna trade or wait until 10 a.m.? I trade until 10 a.m. anyways. Bro, there is no low of the day. There is, man. There is low of day. Don't you like this one? Don't you like this low of day here formed off of an M15 and also kind of traded below two relevant swings? This is a clean. This is a clean one. If you really check on a 30-minute, I think it's also like a 30-minute swing, which is something I really like. The 30 minutes is like kind of profile. This is what you guys, if you guys know the profiling of the day, like daily profiles that EM teaches, that's what you want to get. London reversal, New York continuation. This is what we're getting right now. We formed the low of day off of a relevant swing. And look at just these gaps that are left behind. That shows that it's like a one-sided narrative going to the upside. So this is the low of day for me. I just made 20R. Nice, man. Then I woke up. But no SMT there. It doesn't matter. Or look how far we're actually away. Like price is here and I'm gonna care about that low. Like, is it more likely to do this or to continue all the way here because we don't have an SMT? So yeah, just kind of think about it logically. If I see a fair to manipulate, that's more likely to get taken out than going all the way down to these lows just because we don't have an SMT. We engage with the Did we engage with the irrelevant swing? Yes, that's what matters. Did we see reaction off of it? Yup. Two clean expansion candles. Do we have a changing state at the low day? We do. That's enough. So yuppie. Let me check. Should I align the daily tree with the 4-hour and trade it? If you want to do just like T-trades, I checked this last video. I think I just did today. I checked like the first 3 minutes of it. If you want to do like the daily 4-hour 15, you can. But I don't do it. So if you understand what's up, my brother. To trade the next day, yeah, you can go with that next daily profile. But if you want, you'll have to wait for that daily closure and then trade tomorrow, not today. Because trading now with any C2, you don't have to, like, if you want to trade that profile now, you can, like C2, trade this candle, probably that candle, expecting it to get to the lows. Yeah, but other than that, I don't trade the daily profile. I don't trade the next day model. Yeah, that's what I do. Let me check what's going on in HO. This like was me just looking at the charts. And I let these drawings, and then we can look at them later on. Let's look at some weekend studies. Let's take a look at the charts over the weekend. CL. Let's see what's going on with CL. Okay. Oh, you know what? Nah, bro. I need these drawings. I need these drawings really. Okay, perfect. Now we can just take that off, and let's go to CL. Holy fuck. Damn, bro. I like and I don't like what I'm seeing. I like the fact that it's just a straight expansion candle. I don't like the fact that we kind of expand it all the way down here. Is this like because of 1800? Yeah, it's because of 1800. He always does it. Always sometimes like fucks it up. So let's just see what's going on here. Since this is a PSP, so most likely than not, like 100% we have a two-stage here. HO. Yeah, it's most like. Oh, look at that, bro. Who can tell me? Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. What am I gonna look for on HO and like the oil trade? So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to HO. I'm gonna let you guys decide. I'm not gonna say shit. So I'm gonna leave this here, leave these two here, and you guys can tell me what I'm gonna look for on CL and HO. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. I always explain. So for the people that kind of join always, I want you guys to answer my question. What am I gonna be looking for here? It's easy. Okay, so I'm just gonna read the comments while you guys are thinking about what I'm gonna be doing here. I don't like the daily wick. Yeah, it's a bit fat, but bro, it's just with proper cracks and correlation, I'm just gonna take it because we have a clean drawn liquidity just sitting above. So quick question, can you trade that C4 after that expansion? Yeah, bro, I will. Yeah, I like how close we are to the draw. So with any new swing formation, I will. If the low of day doesn't CF by PSP, doesn't CF, if low of day, I don't know if you mean low of day or London, that's the first thing, does by PSP or SMC, how to CF price go higher, we expect price go Kwan Gming, I don't know your name, bro, sorry, but can you type in your question again? I couldn't really get it. Sell? But why am I gonna sell? Yeah, but why? What's the reason behind trading continuations lower? And what's the catalyst for me to trade continuations lower? That's the question. Like just based off this, since I have SMT to the highs, then that means I'm gonna take sells. But why? Look at HO, then tell me what am I gonna do on CL. That's the question. I need something to happen here for me to trade here, or I need something to happen here to trade here. I don't know. So yeah, exactly. So what I want to see is the following. We haven't traded below that low on CL. We did trade it on it. So we also have this SMT. So why I wouldn't care about that SMT? Why wouldn't I look at it this way? Okay, now if I take that SMT from the highs, now, okay, I want to take a buy. Does it make sense now? So now what do I want to take longs or do I want to take, okay, which SMT to depend on? Because you can easily get trapped with SMT. So if I add it this way, you'll be like, oh, maybe we're going to rebalance the range. But no, I want to look at it this way. Phase of price. With candle closure, there are two stages. Yeah, but also on the lows. So which one to trust? The one at the highs or the one at the lows? We have a PSP here. We have this one, right? And we also have this one. So what you guys think when I go to GxT? So why am I gonna trust this one and not this one? Or why am I gonna trust this one and not this one? That's the question. And when am I gonna trust this one and not or a reversion from the daily swing point? But let's respect the gap. We haven't even traded into the gap yet. Okay, we did. We do have an SMT fails. Okay, that makes sense. We have something else here. Okay, all what I want to see is a failure to manipulate for each O. If we fail to reverse off of that level, then that means then this is not the reversal level. and I'm gonna anticipate that this is a failure to manipulate for CL to catch up, especially that we have this string switch here and the PSP. Yeah, like the two stage, yes, this one makes sense, but I'm not gonna depend on two stage. I want to see a failure to manipulate on each O to trust the fact that CL is gonna catch up to that same low. This is as it's saying. So if I want to take cells, this is what I want to see. A failure to manipulate on each O to then trust this two stage, because we also have this two stage here. We also have this one, right? We also have this strength switch, and now it just becomes better from going from weaker to stronger to go higher with EPSP. So now it kind of supports buys more if you look at it this way. But since we traded below this relevant swing, I want to see a failure to manipulate on each O, and then, only then, I can decide I want to take this lower. But for now, I don't really care. We have this two stage, we have the PSP. We also have a two stage at the lows. So we also have this two stage at the low. And you'll be like, oh, we don't have a protected hive day. So probably going to trade it back into the hive day. That also makes sense, the current hive day. Or we're going to trade the low. Then that also makes sense. We just align with daily. So here where it gets tricky. Two stage at the low, three stage at the low, and three stage at the highs. So this is where it gets tricky. So this is where like the correlated assets come in play. So that's what you guys want to do. And that's what I want to do. And I prefer RB a lot better. We kind of trade it back into the gap. That's two stage here. So yeah, what is C2? Possibly C2 closure. So ideally I want to take RB back to the lows, or with proper, if we see each O actually manipulating the lows, then I'm just going to go ahead and anticipate this is a failure. I'm probably going to go back to the gap or this next gap here. If this, because now we're a relevant swing at a key level. If it fails to reverse off of that level, then just going to do this. Go to the next gap. So I'm going to be trading this low to the high. Or if I see whatever I want to see, then I'm just going to go ahead and take it to the lows. Let me see. PSP from the get-go. I have a PSP. Okay. GC. It's not a two stage, but it looks clean. I have a PSP here. This is PSP. Come on, can we take the likes, man, to 35? Can we get 35 likes? Come on, boys. Come on. This is a live trading, and I also try to provide some education content. So yeah, this is live trading / educational live stream. So can we take it to 35 likes? Come on. For the 20 people that haven't liked, like we still got like 40 people that haven't liked the live stream already. I think I try to explain that one so you guys, for the people that just joined in, you guys can take some benefit there. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. We got a new goal today, which is getting to 1,500 subs. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so, boys. So, all right, so we're sitting within that. All right, so just like that daily open. Trade it back to daily open. This is 1,800. Interesting. Interesting. Let me see the daily. If I engage with the holy, we did engage with the irrelevant swing. What just happened to gold, man? 21%. 43%. Holy, it just lost 50% of the value. What the fuck? That's crazy. That's really crazy, man. Wow. So I don't like how this daily candle is forming. Like we're already expanded. Like look how far we expanded. Open high, then we shoot it lower, then we shoot it all the way back up. That's a bit. You gotta be a bit cautious right there. But let's see. We do have the PSP. Not only that, we also traded below irrelevant swing. We failed to reverse. Probably gonna go to the next one. We have a failure swing with that low. Now we're having a PSP here, which is an extra confluence. Which is actually one stage cracking correlation, but they're aligned with that daily, so it's no worries. So I can just go ahead and look for continuations to the lows. Looking at an hourly, let me see. Oh, this is tradable, by the way. This is tradable. This one is tradable. I like such setups. Probably will have a two stage there. Not really, just in one stage. Tell us about your trading background. Educational background. Look at gold. We have a potential short with silver. Might create a PSP and a gap. Yup, that's what we're doing right now. So we're just gonna go ahead and wait. EQ. 30-minute new weekly EQ. Okay, oh, we got 23 likes. Come on, boys. Come on. 23. Come on. We need to take it to 35 at least, man. Or like 40 likes. Oh, why am just ES is just expanding higher. I think we're not getting that entry, man. I think we'll not get that entry. Seems like we're not getting that entry so far. Holy, look at YM. Holy moly. What the hell? The only setup that I can trade is this. A gap and a one stage now. That's the only thing I can trust. Yeah, let me wait. Why am I doing it like this? I'll keep this one here. Put NQ here. That's a lot better. Over to the lows. Okay, that's good. Now we can look at all the charts at the same time. That's a lot better. Okay, what are we getting? Okay, RB is flipping. Okay, that's beautiful. What do we have? Okay. Seems like we're gonna take RB shorts. Seems like we're getting RB shorts. Let me check with HO. Do I have two stage? Oh, beautiful. Two stage here with the closure. Beautiful. M5. Beautiful. Beautiful CIST. Okay, all I'm gonna wait for is this. Choop choop. Choop choop. SL. TP. That's all I'm gonna be waiting for the next candle to close. So. Yup. M15. Beautiful. That's beautiful, actually. That's looking really good. So, okay. So we got a setup so far on RB that is setting up. I like the fact that we have failure swings, even though like price has already expanded. But with that two stage, I can trust that we can continue lower. Each O is probably not gonna reverse off that low. Let me check on M5. I want to see some. All right. This is a failure to manipulate to me. When we just range below a key level that we're not going to reverse off of, especially that we have the SMT and now it's closing as a PSP. So yeah, we're going to that low for sure. And probably HO is going to probably go back to that gap or something. So yeah, but hopefully we can get an entry. RB just dumping, bro. CL, we can trade the lagging asset, which is CL, like the stronger asset, the better stronger asset, which is CL. But we'll have to wait a bit. So CL to the lows, RB to the lows. If you really check, like if you take this range, the current range, like already in discount, look at CL, still in premium. But ideally I want to take RB. So let's see. All right, beautiful. Look at that. We're getting a two stage. We're probably gonna get a two stage here in YM. We're probably gonna get it. So it's closing bearish. This one closing bullish. Look how far in Q is from the low of the current low of the candle. It's a bit far. So by the time YM is gonna open lower, probably gonna have this one, this. So that's good. That's something good to see. Remember the CPSP. All right. Okay. Do I have like two stage there? Also gold is looking really beautiful. Really beautiful to go for these lows here. Yeah, it looks really clean. Whatever you like, just need one stage here. Probably an M15 will get a two stage. Not really same, but it looks really good. Kind of confirming this CIST here. 3 minute. Yeah, it's looking good. So shorts on gold, shorts on CL, longs on ES. Come on, once I got 25 likes, come on. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, come on, boys. For all the men out there, for all the people that want to enjoy the live streams, come on, can we take it too? If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, or maybe you can just tell me why you haven't liked the live stream already, and then we can talk about it, you know? Since you're watching, then maybe you're enjoying the live stream, so why not just give it a thumbs up? Let's take it to 40 likes. Come on. Before 10 a.m., we need 40 likes. We got 60 people here and just 26 likes. So just like, I don't know, 40% of the people like the live stream or less. Yeah, I think just 40 people. So we need at least like a 50%, like a 70% win rate, 70% like rate. So come on. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't and you still questioning whether or not you want to give it a thumbs up, yeah, since you're watching, then maybe you should just give it a thumbs up. Then you're enjoying it. So yeah. Then you're learning something. We're not here to enjoy, by the way. We're here to learn. So all right, I'm seeing the likes going up. Okay, that's good. We're at 29. I still need like 10 or let me check. And don't forget, guys, like the sub goal for today is like 1500, so still a bit far from it. So maybe we can drive it. We can get there today. All right. So far, what do I want to look for? Look at ES. It's really close to that high. With that two stage, it's easy to go to that high. So that's a trade. That's a trade. So I'm just gonna call out the setup seed. So if I just end up taking it without explaining, so you guys already know. YM or the trade NQ or the trade above that high, which is good, which is a good sign actually. But I would ideally take NQ or YM, but also I don't like YM. Probably if I want to take YM, I'll just take it back to this high, to that current high of day, not to that high. So ES is like an A plus setup for me because it's really close to the high. So even though like this daily candle has expanded, I still can frame a trade off of it. So let's see if we're gonna get that two stage or not. That's a real question. Are we gonna get the two stage or not? 3 minute. Yeah, we really need to drive lower. We really need to kind of form that CISD here because by the time we're gonna close above, like already hit the draw, so I wouldn't really be able to take that trade. We need to kind of retrace a little bit. We need that retracement. It's a must for us to take the trade. So okay, so I think we have the two stage now. Nope, not yet, but we're about to do so. So let me go to CL. Okay. There's nothing really for me to take on hold. Same for silver. So I'm just gonna go ahead and be watching that one. So I'm just gonna set an alert here. One at the CISD. One probably once we kind of trade above the gap. And one probably somewhere in here once we get the closure. And yeah, so we got the two stage. That's good. So we got a two stage here. But the problem is the CISD is like all the way up here. And even when I take it to the next draw, it wouldn't give me 2R. And that's something I don't like. That is something I don't like. So what am I just gonna do? Oh, RB already trading lower. Higher. Okay, perfect. CL ever traded back to the high? Not really. Come on, you just need to kind of wick this gap. Ideally, I want you to wick this gap. Did we? Did I wick the gap already? Not really. We did not. M5. Yeah, come on. I need like a one tick above. I really love when we kind of sweep the gap. But anyways, let's just wait and see. I'm probably just going to put another alert here. So I'm just sweep. I'm going to call it sweep. So I don't have to kind of go back there. CISD. Okay. Same here. CISD. All right. Let me see what we get. Yeah, it seems like we're going to get the setup by the way. M5. Precision swing point. Visibility. Take it off to minutes. Or you know what? Gonna go minutes, but from the 15-minute. Sweep. Okay, that's good. We got the sweep on CL. That's good. Wait. Let me log into my TraderBait. Let me log into my TraderBait, by the way. Let me log out from here. Log out. Log out. Trade. TraderBait. Log in. We good. Now we're good to go. Okay. Depth of market. I don't really need it. Okay. We back. So far I'm kind of basing off my trade. It's just the fact that continuation up into probably will go for that draw instead of that one. But by the time we're gonna take out that high, I'll move my stops to break even. Yeah, because it's irrelevant draw. It's irrelevant swing. But will it give me 2R? That's the question, man. That's a real question. I'm gonna get in 2R. Like that's the problem. Like we can manage to get 2R. Okay, we can survive. Look how we're going with one contract. Okay, let's see. This looking good so far. Let me see what YM's gonna do. Let me see YM. He's putting a lower low. Okay, also NQ's expanding higher. That's good. So let's wait and see. Let me play some music here. Okay. Take my Spotify here. Take it from here. Put it here. Okay. This one here. Okay. All right, we end. Not we end. Like the limit is on. So let's see if we're gonna get a tracement back or not. I say got some love deep inside of me. No need to lie to me. Yeah, I know you got a guy. Just say goodbye to him and take a ride with me. I like that one. Right to me. Alright, seems like we're not getting the entry, bro. You're just fine. That's how like the G. I'm gonna leave my limit as long as we haven't traded above that high. The minute we're gonna trade above, I'm just gonna take off my limit. So, because we have engaged, like, and this was gonna be my management place. So, and we just formed a gap. So, like, you can trade this. Stops at the body instead and go for that same high, but let's see if we're gonna retrace. If not, it is what it is. So we're just gonna go ahead and follow our holy shit, what the fuck just happened? Spin that ass over, let that Gucci breathe, shake that in, hands on your knees, hands on your knees, shake that ass for Drake, not shake that ass over. Let me see. Like 2R is given on NQ, but I just prefer yes, man. Hopefully yes ends up delivering. I got a feeling. All right. It is what it is. Let's see YM. NQ. Let's see. Let me set hourly. If I engage with anything, we can probably trade back from the gap. But let's see YM. Is this something I can trust? Holy, let me check him MYM. Nah, I cannot trust it. That's not an opposing candle. Okay, if it was, I could have taken this one. I could have like just market executed right now. Traded the lows and go for like the next draw, which is probably like just 2R. But yeah, we're not. This is gonna wait. Unfortunately, this is the problem with having like a close proximity draw. Like that's the only issue. Like you'll have to wait for the retest to get your 2R, or you'll have to anticipate that we're just gonna trade beyond it, like probably up into that gap or something. But yeah, that's not something I just gonna anticipate. So like, yeah, and I'm gonna put my stop at the low. So look how far 2R is. So I cannot really risk it. Okay. That's okay. That's the first 10 minutes of the day, so still got a lot to go. Hand sign. Okay. Gold is looking interesting. 15 minute. We don't have anything really. This size is looking clean. To go for the lows. To go probably for this level here. Hourly, let me check what's going on here. You know the real of it. You know the loss. You know the truth of it. Might be clean swing here from a gap. Okay, if I'm giving that CS, then I'm gonna take it. Come on, can we take the likes up? We got 71 viewers here and only 30 likes. Come on. 40 likes, maybe. If you guys press the like, ES is gonna retrace back to the auto block, so. Or we're gonna find a setup. Let's check. Alright, it's a bit less problem now due to the fact that we kinda have two stage at the highs. with a PSP, and now we're just kind of retracing deep into the range. So that's something I don't like to see. So yeah, let's just see what's gonna happen on. Pay attention to what's going on here. YM looks really good, bro. Really good, really good. Man, do I want to take you? Do I want to take you, bro? Like, if this one was a CSZ, that could have been really clean, man. Okay, we got 19 seconds to go. But I'm just gonna anticipate that we're gonna hold the body and then go for highs. But I don't know, man. I go for like 2R. Try to give it some retracement, probably here. Yeah, that's the only thing I can do right now. Let me see, 1 unit? Nah, bro. Because I already like engaged with ES with that relevant swing. I cannot really trust this one to go. But if it does, it is what it is, man. Sometimes you just gotta accept the bad decision. But we have an SMT fail like for alpha G stage. Beautiful. So the only thing I can do right now is like wait for this candle to close. Like we have a clean closure here, by the way. It's sexy, man. It's really sexy. Or I'm just gonna wait for a gap to kind of put my stop at the body. That's also another idea. Let's wait for the gap to form, which is gonna give us that M15 candle closure. And then we can decide what we're gonna do next. So I'll just wait for that 5-minute candle. Because if I have a gap, then I just can put my stop at the body of the candle to kind of go for the highs. But if I put it from the CISD and we don't have a gap, I put my stop at the low. So that's gonna just add a lot of points, like almost 5 points. So let's check. Gold is golden. I don't know if that's a word, but yeah. Come on, and for the people that haven't subscribed already, come on, man. Come on, man. What you doing if you haven't subscribed yet? Come on, subscribe, like the live stream. Come on, you know, do that. You like do the YouTube things, you know. Okay, YM is flipping most likely. That's good. All right, so yes, it seems like it's fair to manipulate. That's good. So I can trust now YM. But please, YM, please. Here's the deal. You're gonna come back to my gap and give me my 2R, and I'm gonna call it a day. Beautiful day. That's gonna be a beautiful day. Okay, YM. We have a deal. Come on. Trade back. But I'm not gonna trade YM. I'm gonna trade MYM because I can trade. Risk $500 because I'll be able to risk 500 bucks. So that's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna go ahead and risk target this high. Come on, YM. You got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and risk 500 bucks. Okay, beautiful. 14 contracts. But I'm just gonna. Oh no, not now. Wait for the candle to close. 3 minute. Do we have a gap? But we don't have CIC. So okay, we'll still got 3 minutes. Let's hope for the best. Not hope for the best. Hope that YM doesn't run away from us. That's the only thing we're gonna hope for. Gold. Oh my days. Gold. You're trying to give us a trade here or what? Oh, now we have YM and we have gold. Man. Let me see what ES is doing. Okay, ES is going higher. Beautiful. Yeah. So we still got 2 minutes for the candle to close. So hopefully it doesn't just boom. YM sometimes just likes to flip in a minute and then just expands. I don't know why. Sometimes likes to do it. So let's just give her time to do its thing. Yeah, that's the only thing we can do right now to get to R. That's the only thing we can do. So hopefully YM. Ah man, yeah, that's what I know. That's what I know about YM. Yeah, YM things. YM doing YM things. But we still have a clean gap here, so no worries. And we have the next candle opening. Oh my days. Did the ES trade up to the high? Holy, it's about to do so. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my alert, like my limit right now. 14 contracts. Okay, let's wait. Now let's just wait and see. Gold. Oh. Probably gonna go with MGC. This don't feel like home anymore. Remember when you used to me more, me more. I got money in the top drawers and much, but we're not poor. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go with one contract here. But YM is like more probable. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on, YM. Come on, YM. Don't be a bitch. I'll come back. Come on, YM. Come on, bro. I think NQ hit, he has hit the target, right? I think he has did hit the 2-hour mark. He almost did. I don't think we're gonna get the entry, by the way. I don't think we're not getting the entry, bro. 2 trades missed. Okay, beautiful. Come on, come on. Just trade lower. Look. Do not care about me. Just trade lower. Look, just go. Just go. Give me my tag in. Even if you want to hit me, take me out. That's alright. Just do it, bro. At least we're in a trade. Come on. Okay, YM. I trust you. I believe in you. Come on. If you really check the EQ of the candle that we can support, that's good. So it's an upper half. So the gap is like an upper half. That's good. Come on. Come on. Narrative ain't clear yet Monday. 10 a.m. reverse doesn't necessarily mean if asset reverse at the same time we reach the same draw. Doesn't it necessarily mean if all assets reverse at the same time? Nope, it does not, bro. It depends on like the asset strength. If the asset is stronger, it's gonna go to the higher draw first, and vice versa. I missed both NQ and YM. Yeah, bro, that's what it seems like. Seems like YM is gonna fuck me up, man. It's not gonna give us a trade. Check gold. GC, first thing you should do is to press. My boy is talking. You know, it's saying facts. Who is also long? We're still waiting, bro, for that one to hit, man. So if we're gonna get that trade, that's gonna be a good one. If not, starting the week with an L. It's gonna be an L, a good L. It's gonna be a good L for sure. Come on, YM. Come on, YM. I trust you. I trust you. I trust that you're gonna give me a good trade. Come on. We need to post the trade breakdown today, man. You know what I'm saying? Please, YM, please. Please. We still need 6 likes, so come on. 40 likes. We still got 6 likes, man, you know? Come on, people. We need to take it like 40 likes or 45 likes at least. We're going in with 14 contracts, so at least we need 15 more likes. Come on. ويلي بارك عليها. No ways, bro. No way. No way. Stop the guy. No, it's not. Holy, it's true. What the? Holy shit, it is, man. Wow. That's true, actually. I just checked. Holy. What happened, man? What the hell? Wow. Beautiful. Holy, no ways, man. Holy. No ways. What? Man. Beautiful. Beautiful news. Thank you for the good news, man. Wow. Oh man, GC source, not right. It's just feeling CISD. I'm still waiting for Ryan to retrace back into the gap to kind of like this is 10 a.m. Where is it? Where's 10 a.m.? This is 10 a.m. So we're just gonna go ahead and wait. Like now, I'm anticipating this to be at a low 10 a.m. for that 10 a.m. candle. So Come on, come on. Retrace back into the gap and give me a stop loss. What happened? Ah, man. We're talking in our secret language. Me and what's his name? Shun Laudi. It's a secret language, man. I cannot really tell the. I can really tell the secrets. It is what it is. اخويا راه انت ما مشي انت اللي ديسيديتي. Lock in, gang. Bro, why MS will lock in, bro? I to trade back. It doesn't. It doesn't want to lock in, bro. Fuck. Oh man, why am it? Oh, bro. No worries. That's another beautiful L. That's another beautiful mess. Yes. Okay. Hit the draw. Like literally just what I said on the list. You guys remember ES, then YM, then NQ. ES fucked me up. YM fucked me up. Now we go with NQ, maybe. She can she also doesn't want to give me that 2R. Holy. Don't tell me it was gonna give 2R to holy. It's actually giving 2R to the highs. Wow, really clean. Damn, bro. What did I miss? What did I miss? Find me Morocco. Nah, man. Yeah, we're not getting this one. We're not getting that trade, bro. Alright, CL. Bro, what? YM is doing YM things, man. Just not giving us the entry, man. I wanted to get in with the gap, just going higher. So if we're getting back to the gap, then I will think about it. Then I will think about it. You're Dutch? No. Ich spreche. No. There's a guy Dutch. His name is Dean. I think he speaks Dutch. I think. انقلبهم السيفتي واه صاحبي ما يزال الله ما يزال بالله. I know I know you're Serbian, bro, and you live in Netherlands, but you speak. I don't speak that. Okay, I thought you learned. Okay, you told me you speak English in Netherlands. Sorry, my bad. Ah man, what song is this? New album? It's bad. Let's let me give it a listen. Not the best. Travis Scott, let me check. Don't. The only feed is like to Travis Scott. Teaser touchdown. Okay. Yeah. That might be also good. You looks like laughing, man. You looks like laughing. Yeah, I'm laughing. Gold better expand. Lower at full port. Good luck, bro. Good luck, man. I just gotta wait for 10:30. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. It's just going. Man. It is what it is. Let's see. Now only. Holy. Let me see what we got here. Let me focus here a little bit. Okay, that looks good. So I can give it another shot with like the 90-minute closure. I got what? 6 minutes for the candle to close, so. True. Gold looks clean, not gonna lie, but I'll wait for CL. Oh man. YM? Yeah, YM just expanding, bro. It was really clean. Yeah, like this, if we had that closure, bro, if this was like a bullish candle, that could have been. ده اللي باقي عندك راه يبقاو خدامين عادي مي باش تشرينو. Man, it is what it is. Double trade of, like, is it trade of 8 or is it my funded futures? That's the question. If it's trade of 8, bro, that's too bad. Alright, let me see CL. What CL is doing. Okay, it looks good. I want to take CL shorts, by the way. I want to take CL shorts. راجل ريفر اصلا مبانينا. المغرب السعيد. English only in Oh man, I still remember some people were fighting in like Indian language. They were like, oh, I want to take RB actually with that strength switch. It looks good. زعما شي واحد خاصو يسبق خويا راه حسدونا على الكوب دافريك اش دير. حسدونا على التيرانات ديالنا قال لك هو نبانيهم. اش دير اخويا ما تبقاش جزائري ولي في الباكين ديال المفاوضات فيوجن. ياك ما كاينش جزائري هنايا. نوليو في شي كلاصات في الستريم. We are sorry, bro. We are just easy to communicate. Did you take the YM inversion? Is my name dodgy, bro? Is my name dodgy? No, I don't trade inversions, bro. I was waiting for that gap. We got the CISD, so the retest wasn't gonna give me 2R. So I was waiting for the gap to kind of put my stops at the body. So yeah. Yeah, now I'm just waiting for that 90-minute candle to close with that 2-stage PSP. Yeah, that's all what I'm waiting for. Oh, wait. No, I can just take it directly. Holy. You know what? I'll wait for that baby to close. I'm gonna go for the gap too. Let's go for the gap, bro. I love the gaps, man. Alright. Oh, life sometimes just rewards you better. Look at RB. RB is gonna give us almost 3R. If you, YM. Sorry guys for, yeah, sometimes just get too excited. Alright, so I'm just gonna go for the lows. It's probably gonna go here. Like for like 2.7R. Create limit order. 1 contract, 2 contracts. Beautiful. I'm gonna go 2 contracts. It's like the candle, the minute this candle closes, we got a new candle opening up. The new 30-minute and also the new 9. Bro, come on. And the new 90-minute candle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trade it with the anticipation that this is gonna be an expansion 90-minute candle. So can't we trade? ما بغاش هادشو فيس. Huh? Wait. Can't we trade incurred at the same high ES because of advanced premium discount? But we need a new swing to form, man. ما بغاش ما غشت حسدو يحفيس. But shall I don't know what you said, bro. No idea what you said, man. So holy moly. Let's see what's gonna happen, man. Alright, I'm gonna look at the M5. 3-minute. Okay, that's good. NQ. YM. YM is retracing. Okay. NQ. So is he gonna trust RB as being the cute girl, as being the good asset? So we got 2 contracts, right? Okay, 2 contracts. We're going to 2 contracts, boys. For like a 1.3k day. Nah, I just created. Good, man. Good. Join in, man. Teach me. And let's speak your language. Let's speak the Bacha play language. Bro, this shit is irritating my ears, man. Stop, don't tell her. I like your songs, but not this album, man. I'm sorry. Tick tom, padam, padike, tick tom. It's called. Oh, okay, put in the limit. Okay. There is a call by what is it? Mystery Lady. I don't remember what's the call. Like I don't know if it's this Mystery Lady. I guess. Oh, that's good. I love this song, bro. Okay, thank you. Seems like we're just gonna miss today, bro. What did I miss? Pig pump. Pig bum bottom body get it on. When I haven't met her, but she on me heavy on my. Oh, you guys can hear me singing. Oh, I forgot. Okay, I'm preparing something for you guys here. Bro, is it missing me? Is she missing? Bro. Come on, man. Come on, retrace back. Ah, man. Let me play this. Good. Hey, good. Girls are telling and everywhere I go, they wanna change clothes, some pose. By my way, be in my dreams, bro. Wanna? Bro, should I just take the holy? That's what I was thinking. I'm just like, don't I want to just take the entry here, bro? You know, I'm just gonna. Ah, bro. Oh, man. Nah, I'm not gonna FOMO, bro. I'm not gonna FOMO. Come on. Ah, man. I should have FOMO'd, bro. I should have FOMO'd, man. Ah, man. FOMO sometimes helps you, man, to get in trades. Let me pause this one, man, and we're gonna play that. Good. Take this off. Play this one. Where's my $500? If I do 2 contracts here, 2 units, that's gonna be $500. So it can be here. Okay, we can just put it a little bit lower. Probably here. Okay, that's gonna be good. Okay, when we're flipping bullish, okay, just back to the gap. I'm in? Am I in? Good. Okay. Okay. We do like anything you want. That's good. Could it be monogamy ain't made for me? That's way too reckless. I get too jealous. Could it be from the east on? Sit in my lesson. I'm way too urgent. Could you be on my favorite ethnicity? I'm just undressing all of the sections on my chest. Good. Taking too hard, huh? Thinking I can make as many songs about a lady when I haven't met her, but she on my heavy on my side. Okay, we're taking another bars. Hey. Swear that I've been gifted with a song. Bro, I want to take I want to take off positions. Like, should not see this. I just want to see the fact that I'm here and I'm putting my stops here. but I remember what happened, man, last time when I take positions and orders off. So I'm better off leaving it there, bro. Oh, man. Um, I cooked boys past 10 evals. Nice, man. GG, my bro. Bro is like, ah, man, we're not. Bro, what do you do for a living? I sell courses, man. If you check my description, man, you'll see a course that I'm wrong. I do. Let me check. I got a call, boys. Let me check. I got a call, man. Somebody's calling me. Let me mute my mic. Guys, my wife just called me and told me that I have to win this trade, man. She told me that I'm watching her live stream and she said, like, you have to win this trade to take me out on a date, so. Man, if I don't win this trade, bro, I'm fucked. Which prop for you use? Besides my funded, it's the only one that I use right now. Hey, what's your view of the 4-hour gold chart? There was an SMT, but there was a PSP versus silver. Would be that good enough for you to take? Yeah, bro. If you're aligned with the daily, yeah, I would. But seems like, man, we're gonna take an L here, bro. And I think I'm gonna have problems, man, once I close the stream, man. Oh, she's here. She is here. Hi. I just told them about you. I told them if I lose this trade, we're not gonna go for her. We're not gonna. We're gonna have issues. So it seems like I'm gonna lose that trade. Thank you, my baby. Thank you. Okay, good luck. And now I'm gonna take an L. All right. Yeah, man. I told you guys she just called. She just joined. So good luck. Thank you. Man, if I win this, if I don't win this trade, guys, it's a big problem, man. It's a big problem. Man, losing money, also losing the girl. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just laughing, bro. She's a good wife. Even though I take L's, man, she survives. Man, Reese SL. You know what I'm saying? I'm asking. If you know, you know. Man. Yeah, seems like it's like a Reese SL, man. Hey, what the fuck? Ban this guy? What, Jerry? You're fucking, bro. You're not gonna join the stream ever again, man. Is there a moderator here? Okay, bye, man. Bye, Jerry. If you join again, you're gonna get banned, bro. So have some sort of respect and just go to another place, man. His name is Jerry. Let me go to Discord and ban this guy, man. Bro, childish. What the fuck, man? He's not here. What the fuck, man? People with no future, man. Is it this guy? No, I don't think this is this guy. Could it be you love me and listen to me? Is it this guy? No, I don't think it's this guy. This guy looks respectful. Oh man. Come RB. Come on, RB. The girl is here. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Do your thing, bro. Do your thing, bro. Come on. Subject to availability? What do you mean, man? Come on, RB. Do what you gotta do, man. Did he say Khadija? Or am I just tripping? Yeah, he did. Let me just do Khadija. Okay. That's good. Damn, once I told my girl Chitty, she left. Ah, man. What's up, my G? Did you hear that fucking news about... Yeah, bro. Sean Laudi just told me now, bro. So, yeah, I was like, shit, man. I was like, bad news. And Q is given an opportunity. Ah, man, but RB is giving me... it's giving me headache, so... Look at that, bro. Look at what I am. Man, that's gonna be like my 1K for the day, bro. RB, please, 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 RB. Remember, I missed ES and YM. I preferred you over HO and CL. So do what you gotta do. Come on, come on, RB. I trust you. I believe in you. Come on, come on. We got it. We got it, RB. Wait, what news about Morocco is out. They restricted Morocco for some reason. Yeah, bro. Look at that, man. It's fucking unfortunate, man. I don't know why. Restricted countries list. If you haven't from a restriction, if you aren't from a restricted country limit over, you can take the challenge and get funded here. Oh man. I'm their official sponsor. You know what I mean? I'm the one who leads the most traffic to them, and now they just banned my country, bro. I don't know why. Because we're making too much money from... I don't know, bro. We're making too much money off of the stream. It's like, oh, this Moroccan guy is causing some trouble, so... Stop clicking so fast. You are making me nervous. Which proper me? Now I'm using my funded futures, bro. Yeah, my country's restricted as well, but... Brother, what? Yeah, bro, they just banned it. They just let me know, like, why you don't marry? Bro, you should go to Thailand. Find you a lady boy, man. My country restricted by whole. I said fund next futures. Yeah, next one is if I'm going to fund it next, bro. Let me check the what is it called? Lucid. And if you haven't subscribed already, guys, go ahead and subscribe. We still got a long way to go to 1500. So, what? 2 people unsubscribe? Maybe because we missed InQ, ES, and YM. Yeah, bro, I'm using my funded, bro. That's why it took me too long for me to find the one, and then yeah. Banned is because of CME and not proper. Yep, I guess so. But it anyway. Man, I'll try to talk to them and be like, hey, I'm here first. I'm one of the biggest. I'm the biggest live streamers on YouTube, so do something and make us put us back. Rules and guidelines. Okay, thank you, RB. Thank you. You're not doing me dirty, just like the other ones. You know what I'm saying? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Restricted countries. Look at the beauty, bro. Look at the beauty. Don't you see the beauty? Trade Apex? No, bro, I'm banned from Apex. Morocco is banned from Apex. That's why I don't use them. Bro. Fuck. If our citizens of these countries believe or not, man, come on, bro. Updated today. Fuck, man, what happened today? Fuck, man. I think I'm going broke soon, guys. I think I'm going broke soon, guys. I think I'm going broke soon. Let me just close that trade and secure the payout. and run with my bag. Holy shit, bro. That's fucked up. That's really fucked up. So I was gonna go ahead and pick us about 2R somewhere in here. So if we see a pressure chase, I'll just go close the trade. Alright, now I'm just gonna put one contract here. Buy the one contract. Okay, order rejected. Just go ahead and put one contract here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put one buy here. Okay, now, bro, I don't want to see the retracement back, so I'll just, bro, I don't want to put my stock buy stop, break even, bro. I don't want to lose that money, man. So, man, BE win right now, right now, bro. I don't want to like look how close it is to that draw, first draw on liquidity for it to go back all the way there. So I'm not gonna really. How much I'm up? Let me check. Is that a good number? Is that some good money there? For no, not much. You know, just leave your money, man. Just leave your money. Let's see if we're gonna secure some here and then leave the rest until here. That's gonna be a good one. But why is not moving my? You cannot modify this order. Please cancel the order and replace. Okay, so I'm just gonna cancel this one. Okay, now good. Okay, now we good. Just gonna put it like one tick above. Okay. Payout soon, bro. I'm afraid they will reject my payout. That's why it took me so long to get to buy from them. Now it's just confirmed that they're gonna reject the payout. I'll have to talk to them today. If they say we're gonna reject your payout, I'm gonna stop trading the account. There's no point of trading. Man, life. It will take me again like a week to find the next prop firm, man. Holy. It's really unfortunate, man. It's really unfortunate. 30 minutes. Let me see what's going on here. What song is that? No, what's that mean? No, let me listen to the album, man. I did not give it a listen yet, so. CME got banned in those countries. I don't know why, man. Are we not? Are we? You still have 2 contracts on bio. Thanks, man, Dean. Thank you so much, by the way. Thank you so much. Funded futures. Go to Nadia. Nice trade. Thanks, man. Payout soon. Funded next. Aqua. CME got rejected your payout. Not yet. I'll have to talk to them today. CME got banned, so all preference. I want to tell them to use. See if these are the alternative. Yeah, but the problem is like with CFDs you have to go for like 10% targets and then 5%, so it's man, fuck. Maybe I'll ask some of the friends abroad to probably get an account for me. Probably. I saw, what is he called? I forgot his IG. Let me check his IG. Like what's his called? ICT Fanatic. He's been using some people's names to kind of get accounts, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same. So probably gonna get inspired by him. This guy, Melo, he's been doing it, so just been getting a lot of payouts. It's gonna be getting a lot of accounts with other people's names, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get inspired. Yeah. One step أصاحبي أنت قرب عليك تايلاند دور تما وقعد طوراق وأنت ناضي ورا غادي السيمانة الجاية أنا لتايلاند. I'm going next week, but the problem is, will it be allowed or not? Okay, so we're up 600 bucks, 700. I'm thinking about closing, by the way. Yeah, that's enough, man. Now, bro, like I have to talk to them right now, bro. Like there is no point of holding the trade anymore. Fuck. Where is it? What's his name? Frank. He's supposed to be here, right? Mod. Where's? Okay, just gonna go with Manny. And who else? Oh, no. Where's the mod? Frenzel. Not Frenzel. Today, Morocco got banned. Will I be eligible to get my payout? Oh no, not N. Holy sh. Yes, I'm gonna continue trading. No, fuck the account. I'm gonna stop trading. There's no point. Alright, he's writing, that's good. Okay, where's the last message he answered? He answered. Where is him? What is the status? Okay, so now he's answering my message. Okay, so he just answered that one. Let's see. An announcement will be shared by the team shortly. Man. Bro, also China is 11, bro. It's also banned. That's the issue. First I had issues with them just living in China, and now it's my country and also China. So it's like a double problem, man. That's why I was like, I just close the trade. There's no point of holding that shit anymore. Let's see if they're gonna respond. Okay, let's just wait. Walid. Probably is Moroccan too. I think he's Moroccan, based off his name. I placed it on second profit and then platform forms and I saw that price touch my stop loss, and 2 seconds later, could you please help hold around 14, and then after it freeze it went back. The staff did not respond. Okay, since now he's doing that Neymar picture. Okay, João Felix. Okay, he's 100% Moroccan. Okay, I have slow mode. So yeah, man, I just gotta wait. So yeah, W. W. No W, bro. Even though it's a winner, but it's no W. It's not a W in my book. I'm gonna flex Twitter bin. The email sent to my only had the username. Mean. I'm just gonna go to check profit right now, I guess. But yeah, I got out here because it's the irrelevant swing, by the way. I was like, you know what? It's a relevant swing. You know what? I'm just gonna get out. And also we have another troublesome area, which is this one. That we kind of so close proximity. You guys know why I will choose this one and not that one. I might even choose this one, which I'm gonna react off of right now. So that's why my stop price just expanded into the lows. I was like, alright, that's enough. I think it's not 2R, but still. This is my 2R. Where's my 2R? Oh, it's 2R. Okay. I got out at 5818. 8518. 8518. 8518. I think it's not 2R, but it's almost 1.83. Okay. No worries. Okay, so it's a good 2R trade here today. Not 2R, like 1.8R. The wife came in with her good luck. That's good. We survived the trade. That was good. Let's see if there's another thing we can take. Alright, that's one I got out here. That's a good one. Got out here. 18. I got out here. Okay. Gold. Okay, it's gold also is going to TP, which is good. But I would have probably got taken out on break even, yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. If I got in here, I would have been almost got taken out of break even, or I would, because the spread is like 1.7, so I could. Yeah, it could have been a break even trade and then straight to TP. RV, good move of surviving that retracement. So let me read the comments now. Move to USA. If it was that easy, man, I would. Someone from Morocco can't trade on my account. Oh, give me your account, bro. We'll trade it. What's happening in Morocco? My Morocco friend is asking, why is it getting restricted? No idea, man. How much do you trade at once? I don't know what you mean. What rules, David? David? Oh, okay. If you don't mind me asking. صاد confirmerà CME ديبلوكات هادشي كلشي بروفيرم محيدين معه. That's troublesome. I don't know why CME banned Morocco. Let me check ChatGPT. Let me ask Mike. Why CME? And play a song. That's good. This one's good. Sticks and Stones, that's good. 400k views? Listens? Oh. Africa, Qatar, South Africa. The rules from saying, yeah, I don't know why, bro, they decided to do such thing. To ban Morocco from having live data. I don't know why. Africa, Qatar, South Africa? Why? Sometimes they make some decisions with, I don't know, like, it's just, they don't make sense sometimes. Let me check if I removed all the orders. Yeah, I did. Come on, can we get the likes up, boys? Can we get the likes up? Come on, let's take it to 50 likes, man, or 60. Come on, boys, come on. Let's just leave this one here. That was like a clean 2-stage. وانت كتشوف اخوي انا مصري يا ابني، انا مصري من اليوم، من النهارده انا مصري. Let me check. Shut up, I can help you find a solution for this. I'll take you on Discord, DM you. This is unacceptable. Thanks, you bot. Thanks, man. It's all Trumps. Anyone from Morocco can trade my account? I will sure. That's good, David. Check Discord. Okay, check Discord. All right, let me check. Let me put this one here. Starting soon. Go to Discord right now. Let me go to just here. But important update market data access. Friday the to our platform's partners as soon as we became aware of work tensions. Also France? Okay. Metropolitan. IT Jordan automatic. For real? Ah, shit, man. Yeah, bro. 2003. What the fuck? Yeah, it is here. But there's no more rocket here. That's the thing. What server is it? Tradeify. Okay. Is this Tradeify? Yeah. Oh man. Let me check YCME banned Morocco from. Oh man, bro, my energy just got. Once I heard the news, bro, I'm just like, fuck this. Like what? I have to go CFDs now. Oh my god, I hate CFDs, man. Spreads and stuff. It's not about, but like I'm only allowed to trade like NQ and stuff, which is a bit unfortunate, man. That's the issue. تعرف هاي مبني المغرب يعني. Ah man. There's no credible CME market is controlled too. What? No more prompting. Okay, you can trade your account. What's your payout? Send me a signal to trade. And now what's your Nah bro, I wanna trade my own account, man. I wanna trade my own account with like my own rules and it's like no man. I'll just try to figure it out. I'll probably ask a friend from I got some friends from the US and from UK and I'll probably use their names. That's the only thing I can do. But the problem is, I'm afraid that also trading view will not allow me to buy data. That would be another problem. Okay, seems like RB is gonna go now to the low. This is a first to manipulate to me. If it closes below this low, now this is a confirmation that 90% are gonna go to that low. This is a model that I trade by itself. This is a model that I trade, by the way. Anyone from this chat take this opportunity? Only one. نروح الى فغي سي ام لبناتنا دونك وي كانت تريد جي سي ان اتش او كوميكس ان وان ميكس داتا بوحدها ما تبعش السي ام اي ثينك I'm not sure صراحة no idea صار ميرا بانوك صافي على البروبر باناتك صافي تبانيتي مكينش you don't need verification for trading view just put different country here there okay that's okay so the trading view no issue okay issue solved okay so we'll try to figure it out. We'll try to figure a way out. For sure. I got some friends. I'll probably talk to them about the case and see if they can help. Because I cannot, bro. Like that's how I pay my bills. Wish مغربي yeah. I think they'll do something about it. Hopefully, at least look. If my funded futures are gonna give allow the account to be traded, that's good. That's fine with me. I got no issues. But if that's not the case, now that's a problem. That's gonna be a problem. Even countries from EU like Croatia is, yeah, I don't know why they came up with. Is it Trump? Anyway, let's get back to the charts. But I'm not gonna take an. Oh, look at gold, man. For the people that took gold, GG's. For the people that took gold, GG's. Let me see what YM is doing. Holy, we traded to the yeah, we did. Look at that. So good winner. But again, these are not good winners because we did not take them. But we called the move. It was really clean. 2-stage PSP continuation. That was really clean. But like RB, I like this 90-minute 2-stage, bro. This 90-minute C2, really clean. That's the problem, man. Be removed. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's the whole topic for the whole stream, man. That's what we've been talking about, man. That's what I've been talking about the whole stream. So I got a 2-stage trend switch here, which is really good on RB. So yeah, that was like the whole idea why I took that one. And I closed here. So let me check. باقي عاقل مني توب ستيب ديك الساعة hopefully, but the problem is I don't have a lot of accounts, so that's the problem. That's another problem. Because I wanted to make sure that they're gonna give me my payout first, and then to add more accounts. Because it already happened to me with my funded futures. So I was like, let me give them another chance. Yeah, but now it's confirmed they're gonna reject, I guess. Why 90-minute? Why not? I started taking a look at the 90-minute, especially at 10:30 candle. If I want to take a reversal or continuation, I look at it. Instead of looking at 30-minute, I just look at the 90-minute. With like a 2-stage, taking out the highs, it's really clean. Oh, that seems like a really good exit. So that was a good exit. That was a good exit. Bro, can you share your experience once you get Thailand and create ID, etc.? But I'm going there only for travel. I'm gonna only stay there for like 2 weeks. Yeah. I'm just gonna stay there for 2 weeks, so that's the problem. But I think I'll move to Thailand soon, man. But not probably it can take me like a year. If I want to move to Thailand, probably next year. I'll talk with the what's his name? ICT Fanatics. Probably I'll send him a message. I already talk to him from time to time, so I'll send him a message and see. He lives in Thailand, so I'll see what's up with him. I'll tell him that my issue, and then I'll see if I can answer. If he'll answer me. If he does, I'll ask him if it's okay to share the response. If he says yes, then I'll let you guys know. Because he lives in Thailand, so. And he trades Top Step, by the way. And he's from the UK. I don't know if it's banned. I don't think it's banned, so. Also see his process with buying accounts with other names. So yeah, I think we're just gonna go ahead and call it a day here, boys. We got a beautiful trade. That's enough for me. There's nothing really for me to do, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go to my wifey. I'm just kidding. So yeah, met in Spanish info. No worries. If I got any info, guys, yeah, I'll let you guys know. Can you break down GC? How would I have taken it with this CISD? With this CISD, I could have taken it. All right, you know what? Let's do a quick overview. But give me 1 sec. I'll just make a call. Okay, I like this song, bro. I like this one. It's chilled. Okay, so for gold. What was I looking at? Looking at a 4-hour. We got a PSB. So, first things first, we got a PSB. Okay? PSB that is closing a C2. Now we can just anticipate this one to expand. Why? Because it's a reversal candle. There's gonna be the expansion. So, either we have. So, when we're on reverse, ideally, if you want to trade the reversal candle, trade somewhere in here. If not, then wait for it to close and then try to trade the open high phase of the new expansion candle and then trade it. That was like the whole narrative for me. This is 10 a.m. 10 a.m. If we really check what we're opening up within, or the opening up with I think it was on 30-minute. Yeah, it was on a 30-minute with a C2 off of a gap. That was like the whole narrative for me. It's just like, okay, I formed the reversal candle. I don't need to wait for that CISD. I don't need. Why? Because this shows the expansion. The gap is holding. Now we got a new invalidation level from the gap to the high with a C2. So again, same. Take the EQ of the wick, which I don't do. I just, if you guys want the process, take the EQ of the wick. Now we just gotta wait for this open high and take it. Where's your draw on liquidity? This is where it gets tricky. Why am I not gonna take this one as my draw on liquidity? Because it kind of is close proximity. I'm sure price won't react off of the gap. Probably not going to react off of that level. So I'm just going to go ahead and target the next level. So again, sometimes it works, sometimes not. But for me, this is what I do. So now I just got to wait for that open high. So the 4-hour is aligned. We got a C2 closure. The daily is aligned. 30-minute. We have EC. What happened, bro? Don't tell me Morocco got banned too early. Don't tell me Morocco got banned too early, man. Okay, so we got a C2 closure in 30-minute. Now this is 10 a.m. opening up. If you really check the 3-minute, we got the expansion here. If you want to wait for the CISD, it's too far away. So I was like, I'll just try to frame something here. So either a gap or a high or a low that I can trade away from. We got a high, got swept, changing stage, you could have taken that entry, stop here, and go for that level. And yeah, you could have probably done this, stops at the high, go for that TP here for 2.5R. But for me, I was already in that RB trade, I guess. What time is it? 10:18. What time was on that RB trade? Let's go here to the 1 minute. 10:18. 10:33. Oh wow. So I got in a bit later on. Okay, no worries. So yeah, that was the whole concept of like the gold short. You could have also taken this M5. Probably this market execution. Put your stop there. Go for that level. Now it's just 3R all of a sudden. So yep, that was the whole trade. And now we're seeing price reversing from that high, but yeah, I just preferred RB because of that 90-minute two-stage strength switch. If we really check the highs, what do we got? From stronger to weaker with that BSB. That BSB also is C2 stage. So now we can just anticipate this to be an expansion candle. Not only that, if you check the 90-minute, also it's the C2. So yeah. Is it good now? I think it will be good now. I think it will be good now. Okay, I think now it's supposed to be good. I think now it's gonna be good. I just fixed the internet. I just fixed the internet. Now it's good. We got 200, 2700. So I think now it's good to go. So let me just go ahead and refresh the page and see what's gonna happen here. It's good now. Perfect. Perfecto. So another beautiful trade here. So it was really clean. I love NQ. Look at that. I choose ES, it did not give the entry. Choose YM next, it did not give the entry. NQ, it gave. So NQ, I love you. Now we can just put my stop at the body again because of the cap, but let's just wait. Let's see. This is the first time I take a second trade in a day, I guess. It's been a long time, man. I haven't done it. I do take like short trades, but like I don't know. After I take a winner, I just call it a day. But this time was like, it's different. I like this two-stage on a 15-minute. I like this two-stage here, especially that I'm getting at the lows. I just love it. So I can catch the next 15-minute expansion back to the highs. Okay. And I'm gonna leave the live stream running. I'm gonna get back to you guys soon. That's also good. Nice, the baby. No, that song is good. I love this type of songs, man. Chilled rap. I don't know, like kind of just freestyling over the flow, which is good. Okay. We going, boys. I think we're making an extra $200 today. I'm already up. Like, let me check. $700. Let me check how much I'm up for the day already. That's good. Good amount. Let me check. What time is it? 9 a.m. got in here. I just checked Instagram. AM got in here. Look at that move. He's still holding a contract all the way up here. Holy. But I don't know if it's like NQ or MNQ. I'm not sure. But I think it gets in like NQ, not MNQ. Don't worry, fucking around. Don't worry, gonna find out. That's good. Oh man, should we wait until low of day? What? High of day forms? Why NQ not ES, bro? Because that's two stage. I did not really check ES. Well, look, it's so choppy. I like the retracement back. It's so clean. We got the highs, another one here. It's really clean. I'm just gonna go ahead and get that expansion. YM just expanding higher, so I don't really. Probably it's about that time to kind of put my stop at the body. Manage my trade accordingly. Okay. Where's my fool? Do you ban? He trades 10 a.m. only. Do you ban? Do you ban? I don't know what's banned, bro. I don't know what's banned. Do you ban? I don't know. I did not get what you mean, bro. Who is banned? Yeah, that's a question. Good question. Oh man. I need to learn how this guy does that. I don't know how he does that, man. My fool. Hey. My fool. Let me see what RB is doing. Oh, it ended up going for the lows. Nice. Nicey. My fool. So it could have been like an extra, I don't know, 100, 200 bucks. We're gonna make it with NQ. NQ, come on. My fool. Oh, do you know? He trades 10 a.m. only. Okay. You can try higher time frame PSP indicator. Higher time frame PSP indicator. I do have my own PSP indicator, man. Okay, so now we're back. So the last one is paper low. So we're just gonna go to out your business. Oh, chilled. Holy, that's so good. From the first 7 seconds, it's a good song, bro. Nice. Was long 10 a.m. stopped break even at that retracement. Took enter again and came here to see what you're doing to find out we are in the same trade. Let's go, my boy. Let's go, my boy. علاش خديتي هاد التريد؟ شنو هي الايديا؟ ما بان لي والو. Can you explain please? For sure. 4 hour. Look at that. We're turning away from the low 10 a.m. This is the low of 10 a.m. So within that expansion, we're gonna find a new invalidation level, which in that case, it's a gap. And what do we got? Beautiful two-stage PSP. So I'm trading the C2 in that case. I'm trading the C2 and aiming for the C3 and C4 expansion up into that high. Especially we're trading into that level. And we're seeing a failure to manipulate to kind of reverse. Two-stage PSP. Clean CISD. That's really it. So, yeah. Just trying to frame. What do I tell you? What do I always tell you guys? Whenever a 4-hour candle is expanding, you're gonna find within that 4 hour, for example, this is 10 a.m. This is 12, and we still got like 2 hours left for the candle to expand. Probably within it, you'll find a new invalidation level. a gap, a key level to then continue. So you try to continue for that expansion as long as we have a drawn liquidity to the left. That's what I'm doing right now. This is the 10 a.m. This is that 10 a.m. range. This is that new invalidation level. Try to frame a trade off of that swing for further expansion. That's what I did. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and go to break even, bro. I don't want price to continue all the way back here to trade. So now it's a safe free trade. So in that case, just again, I'm not risking that much. I'm just risking $100 or something. So it's just for fun. It's just like the idea of it. I did not even think twice about it. So I just like, let me hit it. Because some trades, just when you look at some trades, you'll be like, oh, that's a good trade. You don't have to overthink it. Well, let's see. Seems like we're reacting off of that level. 30 minute. Yeah, reacting off of that sweep level, which I hate. But let's see. ES, I've taken a high. Isn't that gonna affect NQ? So that's why I moved my stops to break even. Just looking at it, I need to probably get a high. Yeah, not really, not yet. We haven't taken out the high yet, by the way. And what do you mean? This high? That same high? That's good because ES is showing a failure to manipulate for NQ to catch up to that same high. So that's a good thing. It's not bad. It's good. As long as like one of the assets trades into the high and fails to manipulate, then you can trade the lagging one into that same draw. And you can anticipate the SMT break. That's all assets sync. Oh, that's bad. That's a bad song. For real. That's bad. That's bad. Sorry. Not that much. Okay, so we're gonna continue from first nega. Okay, so next one is gonna be from this song. Okay, now I'm just gonna go. I like the song that he just dropped before the album. It was easy. Pop that thing. Yeah, that's really good. Suck that dancing. Oh no, fuck. Heart fake bitch with a word in her hand. Let it clap, right then. Oh fuck. Widespread announcement. Widespread issues. Let me check with the news. January 30th. Bullshit, bro. I felt terrible. Thanks, man. It's gonna just got banned and you won't be able. Thanks, man. My jizz was done. I was like, yeah, bro. NZR, all the love, brother. All the love, G. Is it too late to jump in this? Yeah, bro, it is. Yeah, now I'm managing my trade. Like, by the time we're gonna enter, probably gonna get taken out of break even. So, yeah, just better, yeah, just let it go. Only if we kind of hold that gap, then no. Even if we hold that gap, it's still not worth it now. You want to get in here because ideally you want to have your stop protected at that low, which is the low of this C2, which is the start of the swing. You know what I'm saying? So, the start of the swing. So, yo, it's for you. Go to yeah, bro. It is. Look at that. I know. I don't sleep now. I sleep at 4 or 5. Yeah, my sleep schedule is a mess. But I can, bro. The chart, you know. The hustle. The hustle until I fuck up my health. Then all the money I made from the charts, I'm gonna go and pay for the doctor. To get my health back. Aw, man. Five minute looks clean for long. But I was just a bit high up in the leg. Oh, this one is good that I'm listening to right now. It's chilled. That's good. I like this one. العز out explanation ديالك بات ما بنت لي حتى PSP they are the same. So two stage. No, it's a PSP, buddy. No, just based off my incurred, it's a PSP. Let's look at the 1045. 1045, we go to ES. It's bearish. This one is bullish. And look at that. We put in a higher high. Look at NQ. It's put in a lower low. So that's the two stage. Okay. Hate Spotify. No worry, bro. Don't tell me. You guys can hear the song. Okay, thank God. Hate Bro, if they block Spotify, man, holy. My life is look how many songs I like. 753. Man, my whole life is here. So the PSP doesn't have to be on C2. Nope, it doesn't. You can trade the C2. The whole concept of like trading a two stage is trading the C2. If the PSP comes first, then you trade the C2. If it comes later on, then you trade the C3. Alright, if we get that CSM, I'm gonna trail my stop here. Probably get like $50 out of the trade. Something like that. خويا باني ويبني والله لا. This one is bad. Don't leave a comment. Don't tell her. Was it 7090? 7090 by Travis Scott. What it was? I forgot the number. Travis Scott. Okay. 9020. It's gonna go to the oldest ones. Albums to efficient. Was it here? Is it Rodeo? I guess it's Rodeo. And now I'll go 3500. It's nobody triller than me, and nobody trailing the sky. Only niggas can flow. Only shit niggas I know. Oh, I hate it. No chain niggas I know. Come on, we need 5 subs, boys. We need 5 subs for the goal for the day. Look at that. We need 5 more subs. Come on, if you have subscribed already, you want to catch some money trades? Look at that. Look. Let me convince you that we do good here. I don't know why I'm going to convince you, but I'm going to do so. RB. Look at that. Will your mentor take this trade? Wait, where's the execution mark? What? Not execution marks. Look at that, bro. So come on. Are we not convinced yet? And now we're getting in with NQ. Come on, man. Come on. Subscribe. Like the live stream. You know what I'm saying? Like the live stream. Subscribe. Do what you gotta do, man. I'm just looking for ES and NQ, and that's why soon قدرون نشوفوا SMT break on NQ. Exactly, brother. That's what I'm anticipating. We traded above that high, kind of fell into reverse, so. Yep. Let me see if somebody subscribed. If somebody subscribed, that's good. We can keep on a live stream, man. If not, maybe I'll have to give up, man, live streaming, especially with my funded futures going from Morocco. Let me see. Okay, it's reloading. It's taking time. Okay, I just left my chair. So I'm standing up here. I'm waiting. Let me see how many subs we got. Why is this taking so long? Did we get this target already? Only skip flow. Only train next I know. Only train next I know. Hey. Why is it taking so long, man? Let's see. Don't tell me it's still 75, bro. It will be bad. Okay, it got 76. Okay. Somebody saved you guys. Somebody saved you. somebody saved the day. Okay. Where's that picture? Let me control Z. I think it'll show up here. Okay. Somebody just saved you guys. Okay. Hey Tom, what's up, man? Where you been, buddy? How you doing, man? Ain't nobody chill at the metro, ain't nobody chill in the scooter. Hop in a private, I do it. Take all the mountains, I do it. W for RB, for sure, man. And W for MNQ. I'm just trying to get that 1K, man. I did not get 1K here, so I'm trying to push for that 1K. So let's see if we're gonna push for it today or not. Hey. You're paying the price for the pun at me. This gold on my neck is a new Grammy. All the train next I know. On the train. Hey. Bro. I need a standing desk. Now I'm standing, bro. I need a standing desk. On the train next. Come on, NQ, come on. Come on, NQ. Gym dinner feeling. Nice, man. Nice. Hey, Tom, where are you from? You're from India, right? Or Bangladesh? Because you said dinner, so it's also... You're probably from Asia too, so... I think probably India or Bangladesh. Or Pakistan. I'm not sure. Nice, man. Oh, no. I was born with chicken. Real niggas my ready, yes. Trail niggas in the sun. India, perfect. I think you're the one live streaming the other day. Wait, no, it was EX3. Okay, let's watch EX3. Okay, let's watch EX3. Let's watch the live stream of EX3. Is also live streaming. Okay, perfect. Jerry's here. Hey, EX3, ban this motherfucker, bro. Ban this guy. It is such a piece of shit. Oh, Harris was here and he left. Oh, man. No, let's support our boy. GG's, bro. Good luck, G. Let's see. Let's support our brother. Break time will be back. Oh, okay, I just saw break time will be back. Okay, no worries. Who is Jerry? A piece of shit. I don't like to hate on people, bro, but like my girlfriend came to the chat and he was saying some bad shit, so yeah, so disrespectful, man. So yeah, man, if you disrespect my girl, I'm just gonna disrespect you in front of people. I don't care, because you disrespected her in front of people. Yeah, man, that's life. Oh, man. Let's inverse edge. Let me check my... I think IX3 is a moderator in this channel. In G. Discord. Free Discord, Twitter. Let's see. Let me see if he posts any trade breakdowns. Let me see. Videos. Let's give him some love, guys. Let's give him some love. Come on, like live stream. Let's give him a like. I need his live stream to go viral. Come on. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. Let's give him a like. Bro, it's my first day watching you. I want to learn from your mother. Please guide me. Oh, Harris. Wait. Where's Harris? Harris, we're gonna put you to the test, bro. Look. Harris, we caught you cheating, bro. We caught you. Look at your comment. We caught you, bro. We caught you cheating, so. Ban this guy. I'm just kidding, man. But isn't a break time? Let me see when he was talking. Holy shit. The break time was like... Okay, GG's, my bro. But it's still break time, bro. Break time for how long? He's been on break for... for an hour, man. Holy. From here? Oh, holy, bro. It's been like an hour. From here, like, literally. That's like an hour break. Wow. Okay, let's wait for him to get back on the stream. I'm watching him. I also want him to... Anyways, let's continue. Who's your girlfriend? um, she came to the chat. Oh, RB had the lows, man. RB at the lows, good. NQ is fucking around. And what do I tell you guys? When you have a failure to CISD, we fail to continue. So, seems like we're failing to continue here. We're just gonna wait. You know what? I'm gonna do just like I'm just gonna do just like him. I think he just moved. Okay, he's moving his chart. Come on, bro. Speak up. You're moving your charts. You're here. Come on. Yo. Come on. You here? Come on, you're moving the chart, bro. You were just moving the chart. Come on. Ah, man, he's gone. He was moving the chart just now. But I got in with an inversion, I guess. Got in after the inversion. Holy moly. We're not. When you see failure to CISD, you see a failure to continue. So come on. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit above because I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose like a buck. Come on, I don't want to lose. I don't want. Okay, so it's a break-even trade. So yeah, probably it's the time to call it a day, and we're not gonna get to that 1K that I wanted to get for. So yeah, I think we're not getting the 1K, man. I think we're not getting the 1K. But unfortunately, also, he's not here. So copyright. All the love. Let's give him some love, man. Let's give him some love. He deserves some love. Good luck, man. Good luck, man. Catch you soon. I'm off. All right. Don't forget to like the live stream, man. Give him a like. Give him a thumbs up. He's the first moderator that was on this channel. Good luck, my boy. Okay, so as long as we're surviving, we're still gonna be live streaming. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and be back in like 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna be back in 10 minutes and see if we get taken out or not. I'm just gonna go ahead and make my coffee, my usual coffee. Wait, this one's supposed to be here. Okay, gonna go ahead and make my usual coffee. It's like 42 minutes after, so give me 1 second. I'll be back. Not 1 sec. A few minutes. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like IC3. I'm just gonna do be back in a sec. But I gotta make it bigger because some people I did not notice it. So 40. Be back in a sec. Put it here. Okay, and be back. Look at that. Bro, appreciate it back into the gap. Look at that. Holy moly, bro. Oh, man. Oh, man. Why did I move my stops to break even, bro? Shit. No way. Can you guys hear me, right? You guys can hear me. Damn, bro. Don't forget to remove your... Thanks, man. Don't forget to remove your settlement. Thanks, man. I just saw a comment. To be on a day, we moved. Got a packed week with news. Don't think it's too. What happening? I take a low position in the candle ticket for... Nice, man. I'm back in the stream. Welcome back. Welcome back, bro. Welcome back. But I'm gonna call it a day here, man. That's a bit unfortunate. But let's let the trade do its thing. What? I got taken out 50, 75. Look at that, bro. I got taken out here. Something to notice now is that when we have a gap that is not mitigated, then probably gonna hold price. Is that like a rule that I can make? Let's see if we're gonna get to GP or not. Let's see. Actually, you stopped streaming, bro? Let me check. I think you stopped streaming. Let's see if we got like to 1,480 subscribers. Oh, look at that, bro. Look what we got. Target smashed. None to come visit. Yeah, of course. Let me, guys. If I close my stream, you guys can go ahead and join the GxT stream. Let me go to his channel. Let me see where he's at. Inverse edge. Let's see. Let's go. Let me hear you. Wait. What's up? I don't think he can hear me. Yeah, but he has to be on my stream, so. Yeah, like, come on, guys. If yeah. No worries, man. No worries. No worries, brother. No worries. Of course. Of course. Will guys give him a subscribe or no? Okay, wait. Let me see what they say. Wait. Should we subscribe or no, guys? Yes or no? What do you guys think? Is this your second channel? Nope, nope. This is a moderator on them. He's been tuning in on my streams and now he's streaming too. So I was like, jumped in his stream. What do you guys think? Oh man, they haven't answered already. Come on. You sub and he hit TP. Okay, if you hit TP, in the next 7 minutes. There you go, brother. So just subscribe to him, guys. Don't forget to. He was talking to you though. Okay, there you go, my brother. Don't forget to like the live stream, guys. Let's see his Twitter. I think we have a delay. Yeah, I did subscribe, my brother. Let's see his Twitter. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. All right, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And guys, you know what? How can I send all my viewers to you? How can I send them all to you after I close my stream? Wait. You know what we're gonna do, guys? We're just gonna send all the viewers here. I don't know how to do it, man. Anyways, that's it. If you guys want to watch Inverse, this is his channel. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the live stream. I don't know what to say, man. All right. I think we got 10 people from my stream. They joined your stream, so yeah. They did already join. They did. All right, so that was it for me today here. Hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. We took a W on RB. Seems like this is gonna be a W for sure. This is 100% a W, man. But we just got taken out of break even. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Tomorrow same time, and see you guys. Take care. Love you guys, And see you tomorrow. If you guys want to join a stream, you guys can go ahead and do so. Or you know what? We're just gonna wait for what time is it? Let's wait until 15. Until 15. Let's see if this one is TP. So let me just mute my mic and wait. All right, that's it. That's it for me today. We got 2 minutes, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. And tomorrow, same time, same place. And yeah, that's really it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close the stream, and hopefully we can solve the trading stuff like the trader weight and stuff. So yeah, see you guys. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.